Welcome back at Tanya's Place. I'm Tanya. I am been working on a few things. The loofah, I'm still trying to get technique out to peel them. I haven't gotten there yet, but that may be a video by itself. But the things I have been working on, I have collected rose petals to make a face mask. And also I've been collecting turkey tail to make a tincture out of those. Rose petals and turkey tails are a very interesting plant in, I guess, fungi. They're both medicinal. It's kind of hard to believe a rose petal being medicinal, or a mushroom, fungi like a turkey tail being medicinal also. And now I've been learning about these things, and I'm very intrigued about what you can do, what all you can do with it. And honestly, I hate medicine. And if I can make my own tinctures and take my tinctures instead, I'd rather do that because of that reason. I always thought making tinctures is very complicated, but it isn't, because it is really very, very simple. So I'm going to show you how to make the face mask and a tincture. And the face mask I've been using the face mask I've been working on is a rose petal raw honey mask. So like I said, instead of air drying the rose petals, I went ahead and put in a freeze dryer. It'll be easier that way, and it doesn't take that long for the rose petals to dry up, and it was easy to work with. After I got them out the freeze dryer, I grind them up. Well, first I put them in a jar, and then I let them sit there until I was ready to make my honey with the rose petals mixture. So when I got the rose petals out, I went ahead and I crunched the rose petals up, and then added those to the raw honey, and let it sit for a couple of days before you use it. That's what I would do. And the tincture is really easy to make. You clean the turkey tails real good. Make sure there's no bugs or dirt, whatever, on it. And then I put them in a, what do you call it, the tumbler or whatever. You kind of get the rest of the water out of it. Put that in there to get the excess water out of it. And then I went ahead and put the turkey tails, part of it, into a mason jar for my tincture. And then the rest of it I put into on my freeze dryer trays to put them in the freeze dryer. And I'm going to be making a mushroom seasoning out of this part of it when I get ready. It is so easy to make your own tinctures, so don't be discouraged about not trying new things out and learning new things. Like I said, I have been trying to learn a lot of new things, and I'm taking y'all along with me while I learn what I do, my mistakes, and my success. So I'm just, like I said, I'm still learning, and I just love knowing that I can make my own medicine on my face mask. And when we do get to the farm, I will be getting into this more deeper. I hope y'all had a blessed Thanksgiving, and y'all enjoy your time with the family and friends, and y'all been safe traveling. And it's hard to believe it is already December, and the weather has gotten really cold outside. So I decided to go ahead and work on this video, and while we're not working on the farm. And there's just so many cool things that you can do, and I'm just so tickled. I went ahead and winterized the chicken area with some panels to kind of keep the wind off, because that wind is out there whipping it big times, and it's so chilly outside. So today we're going to be inside and working here, and I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. rose petal honey face mask. Really easy to make. Give it a good stir. And honey has medicinal effect and also the rose petals, and together it just makes such a powerful medicinal face mask for your face. So there you go. There you go. And there you got your face mask. And here you go. It's a good consistency of rose petals. And I'm planning on making a couple more gifts out of those, and for somebody to have a really nice face mask. There's Bubble. We'll pop it. Here you go. And it's edible if you really wanted to, so. But yeah, harvesting from your own things, and it's just making cool things out of it, and all kinds of stuff it's pretty rewarding. So anyway, here's a face mask. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next video. God bless y'all. Bye.